Hello and welcome to my vlog. This is Preeti and today I'm going to talk about the health benefits of ghee. Ghee has always been in our culture. It's been a part of our tradition. It's in our dal, roti and in a hot steamed rice. Besides that, it has many Ayurvedic and medicinal properties too. Ghee is a great source of energy. It is good for our immunity, it improves our vision, it is good for our memory, it is good for our bone health and so many other benefits it has to provide. So today let's check it one by one, all the health benefits of ghee. Ghee helps you in losing weight. How it helps you to lose weight? Let us see. Ghee helps the food to get digested faster and in a better way and thus helps you to lose weight. It is rich in omega-3 and omega-6 fats which reduces the fat levels in your body. The amino acids present in the ghee helps to mobilize the fat and reduces the fat cells. It helps the fat cells to shrink and it thus easily reshapes the body. Ghee is rich in short-chain fatty acid, that is butyric acid, which is absorbed by the liver and is burned as energy and thus helps you to lose weight. Second point, ghee reduces your exposure to cancer-causing agent. Yes, ghee has antioxidant properties, which means that it has the ability to neutralize and stabilize the free radicals in our body. It prevents cells and tissue damage. Besides that, ghee has a smoking point of nearly 500 degrees Fahrenheit, which means that it does not get broken down into any free radicals and thus it is a very safe mode of cooking. Ghee contains high amount of MUFA, that is monounsaturated fats, that is omega-3 fats, which is really good for your heart health and it improves your cardiovascular system. It lowers the risk of coronary heart diseases. It also reduces your serum cholesterol levels. Ghee has anti-inflammatory properties. But let us know first what inflammation is. Inflammation means the body's immune system responds to any foreign object present in a body. Actually, it is a defense mechanism that our body performs in response to a foreign object. If you are suffering from any digestive issues and intestinal disorders, ghee is for you. It has good amount of butyric acid, a short-chain fatty acid, which helps in soothing the inflammation because it is directly linked to immune system response. It helps to sort out the digestive system issues by helping and repairing the lining of the stomach. A person suffering from Crohn's disease, it is an intestinal disorder and these patients can be benefited with the regular use of ghee in the diet. Besides that, it also relieves constipation. Now we will talk about the fifth benefit of ghee. Ghee is very good for the brain development. Children, especially in the age group of 2 years to 5 years, must be given ghee. A teaspoon of ghee will work. It is good for their brain development, for the memory power. Apart from all these benefits, ghee has beauty secrets too. It is good for your skin, it is good for your hair because it has moisturizing properties. How should we eat ghee? It is best eaten in the raw form because all the enzymes are all active and provide you enough nutrients. How much ghee to intake every day? A teaspoon of ghee will serve the purpose along with other fats and oils. 1 teaspoon of ghee will provide you about 45 kilocalorie energy. Hope you have liked the video. If you have liked the video, please do like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. See you next time. Till then, take care of yourself. Bye bye.